much. First of all, I would like to say that thank you very much for this opportunity that I introduce AGC Asahi class and AGC IT activities. My name is Minehiro Akasaki of AGC Asahi class. I'm in charge of OA network in Japan and Asia. Today, I would like to introduce GCEP project. GCEP is a global communication enhancement project, which is a common IT infrastructure of AGC Group in Japan and Asia. Firstly, I would like to explain about the business overview of AGC Group. AGC has continued to achieve the creation of new value in the business area of glass, electronics, chemicals, and ceramics, using the world top class technology through a history of technological innovation extending over 100 years. AGC Group net sales is 11 billion US dollar and operating profit around 1 billion US dollars. Glass domain, flat glass is for the mainly architectural glass. Automotive glass, AGC automotive glass operation has the top market share in the automotive glazing market for laminated glass and tempered glass. Electronic domain, main product is glass substrate for display. AGC holds a number 2 global market share in glass substrate used for TFT liquid crystal displays. It includes cover glass for smartphone and tablets. Chemical domain production are fluorochemical and chloralkali and urethane. Ceramics domain, AGC offer a variety of products and solutions that contribute to innovation in glass production processes and environment conservation. I would like to explain AGC global operation. Group employ 51,000. AGC's business extends into over 30 countries and regions, with regional pillar in Japan, Asia, Europe, and North America and South America. Japan, Asia sales percentage is around 70%, employees are 30,000. Europe sales percentage is 22%, employees are around 70,000. The American is 11%, employees are around 4,000. Market position in global. Flat glass and automotive glass is number 1 position. However, glass substrate for TFT LCD is number 2 position in globally. The AGC Group is realizing Vision 2025 by enhancing core business and expanding strategic businesses. Last year, the AGC Group established Vision 2025 alongside a long-term management strategy for realizing its goal. Under the strategy, the group has designated its glass, chemicals, and display glass as core business for ensuring a stable source of earnings over the long term. By designating its mobility, electronics, and life science business as strategic businesses, it will aim for high growth in target market. These business categories will serve as a twin pillar for achieving Vision 2025. The ADC Group will continue offering value to customers and society as it aims to be a highly profitable leading global material and solution provider. Through its strategic business, the AGC Group is offering solutions with increased added value, targeting market covering the three categories of mobility, electronics, and life science. The group mobility businesses provide solutions that help integrate information and communication technology in automobiles, and construct innovate infrastructure and new ecosystems for transportation. The electric business supplies optical materials for smartphones and signage-related products and technologies based on the vision of an Internet of Things, in which all types of products are interconnected via the Internet. Finally, the life science business provides products that facilitate advanced medical care and solutions for global food shortage. The ADC Group has established a strong presence in Thailand and Indonesia through its glass and chemical businesses. By taking advantage of growth in Asia in particular, this has created opportunity for business expansion from Southeast Asia to the Middle East. So ADC has opened an India office in Gurgaon and a Middle East Africa office in Dubai on October last year. I would like to explain the GSEP project. This project was reviewed at the ADC Management Committee in 2009, long time ago. This project period was 2009 to 2013. This page describes the IT resource overview in ADC Group. ADC Group IT personnel totally is 500. Numbers of PCs around 27,000. My division area is in Japan and Asia region. We are collaborated IT activities with Europe and North American IT timely. This page describes the basic policy for enhancing IT strategies. This policy was approved by the top management in 2008. In the past, ADC Group's IT model has been decentralized, in which ownership of IT system is delegated to each company. As a result, there were different management levels and scope of management by company. This could hinder ADC Group in enhancing of global management capability with a reflection of our past experiences. The basic policy for enhancing IT strategies was defined. Now we established a basic policy for enhancing IT strategy to solve the issue and risk of ADC Group's IT model. Next, I would like to explain the aim of developing global communication infrastructure. We developed IT infrastructure that enable effective and timely communication across the region, country, and ADC Group companies in order to strengthen the global management organization and make use of global human resources. In addition, to achieve this aim, we have to raise the information security level of AGC group. We have standardized the procedure for user management and security product that lays the overall information security level. The new IT infrastructure will be used as a standard infrastructure for new company subsidiaries. AGC is using Microsoft products, which are Active Directory, Exchange Server, and SharePoint Server now. And now I am planning to migration to Office 365 service next year. AGC deployed GCEP to 9 countries and 66 companies. All subsidiaries migrate to single Active Directory and Exchange Server of AGC Japan. In India, I would like to deploy GCEP and network near future. AGC Group is using the NTT Axstar Universal WAN for AGC Information Network, which is a high reliable network. AGC using NTT Communications from 2001 in Asia. We have a good relationship. Now AGC is using not only lease line, but also data center service and system integration in Japan and Asia. AGC is using NTT data center service in Thailand and Indonesia. I will explain next page. AGC Group companies in Thailand integrated the internet, the network hub, and the data backup system on NTT Communications Thailand Data Center as a service. And also we are planning web order system on Enterprise Cloud. NTT Communications Thailand Data Center has the Axstar access point and internet access point, so we can connect locally in this data center. We have no trouble of AGC Group network and the internet. I think it is a useful case for us. AGC Group companies in Indonesia is also using NTT data center as a network hub only. We developed 2 years ago. Now we are planning to the integrated internet. NTT Com acquired international telecom license in India on March this year. And now NTT Com will provide the AGC whole layer of infrastructure services in India, such as national long distance and the colocation, managed hosting, cloud and ICT management. These service lineup are same as Thailand and Indonesia. AGC Group company in India have installed the international lease line to the main factory and are connecting to other sites by the domestic lease line. However, it is for only the calculation of factory machine control. AGC has not deployed a GCEP system to Asahi India Glass. I also hope GCEP deployment to AGC Group of India in the future. In India, AGC will centralize operation with NTT Com Group through Com India and Japan, as well as Thailand and Indonesia. We will connect our international circuit to NTT's data center and enable seamless domestic communication from each site by MPLS network. In this way, we can improve both network quality and security levels. That concludes my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Finally, AGC Group would like to leverage a global and good relationship with NTT Com Group to enhance AGC IT strategy. Thank you very much.